Okay, hello everybody. Back with another little video here. So another quick update. So I've got the ducts in running from the fan. I've got it running all the way down into the lab. I've just terminated it here for now. I've got a nice little plate that I'm going to put around that, but I shall do a bit more of an in-depth video about how all that's set up later. What I'm focusing on today is the floor. So as you can see, I've got this, it's called cap and cove, corner trim, cap and cove. If you just Google it, you'll find it. But it's part of like a safety flooring system, is what it's called, and absolutely ideal for our purposes here in the spawn lab. And so, as you can see, you know, you can just cut that. I just use my miter saw to cut these miters. Now, well, they're not perfect, but it's quite flexible, so it will just like sort of you know, it'll bend to accommodate all of my horrible mistakes here at the wall. So and then the way it's going to work in the end is you get these pieces here, so that goes up there, and you'll see this very shortly, but the vinyl comes up and you know, connects. It sort of terminates here in this bit of trim, which is very nice. So yeah, but I'll come back in a second once I've got this all glued on. Okay, so we're a few days into the future now. As always, it's taken longer than I thought it would, but after much thinking and deliberation and about 500 cups of tea, I decided that I was going to make a paper template of the floor, with which I shall use to as a template. I'll rip this up, take it out there, cut the vinyl floor, bring it in, and put it down. I tried to bring the flooring in and cut it in situ, but it's just too rigid. And unfortunately, as you can see, it's scuffed up all my beautiful walls. No, but that's okay. I'll just give it another lick of paint. But yeah, I mean, this is, you know, it's taken a long time. This is the price you pay for sort of doing things yourself. You know, you really do have to sort of take your time, do your research and gather your information. But the good news is that if I can do this, literally anybody can do it. So yeah, I'll come back and hopefully we'll actually have some flooring down. Okay, so I've blasted on with the floor. Been having a right game with it the last couple of days, but as you can see, it's looking quite nice. I think it's turned out good. We've got a nice alpine green colour, which I thought was a nice fresh colour for a lab. But yeah, it's turned out really nice. The coving seems to have turned out pretty good. I kind of duffed up the corners a little bit, so I've had to put like a brace here in the corners, but that's okay. Like, I've saved so much money doing it myself. You know, I think it's happy. I'm fine with like the little imperfections. It's like vastly better than what it was, and it's perfectly fine for my use. So yeah, very happy. Unfortunately, I've duffed up my nice freshly painted walls. I should have probably painted them afterwards, but it's okay. I can give it a nice little touch up after this, and yeah, we're all good to go. So I'm improving my racking along here as well, which is going to be good. As you can see, we've got the duct in all the way around, although I think you've already seen that. So I think I'll call it a day for that video now, and we'll go on to the next one, where I'm going to be basically installing the flow hood and the shelving and all the rest of it. So cool. Yeah, speak to you soon. Thanks, bye.